Welcome to Nails for Happiness with Shelby. Today I'm doing a Nails by Dev unboxing and product review on the Cosmic Cat Eye Gel Polishes.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
I absolutely love this beautiful packaging. It was very satisfying to see all the vibrant and bright colors. Included in the box are 8 Cosmic Cat Eye polishes and a really cute descriptive card and sticker, which I found to be a nice added surprise. As you can see, the directions are on the back of the box and self-explanatory, so there was no need for me to read them. Overall, in my opinion, the packaging is very professional looking, and for me that goes a long way and makes me feel good about the quality of the product that I've purchased. I will be opening each of the 8 polishes to show you the color, and will later provide a swatch of each color that was previously done for sake of time. I gotta tell you, when it's time for me to make a choice on the color I want to use, it will be very difficult because they're all very awesome. The first color is called Celestia and looks like a champagne color. Please forgive my camera. I realized afterwards that some of the colors did not show up as vibrant as I would have wanted, but trust me, they are all very pigmented. The next color is called Supernova. It resembles a light orange, a peachy color. The next is called Beam Me Up, and I gotta tell you, it's gonna be my #1 favorite. It reminds me of a green apple, and I'm loving all these names of her polishes. Next is called Area 51, a pretty purple. This next polish is called Out of This World, a gorgeous blue. The next is called Phone Home. Looks more like a greenish blue. Makes me think mermaid colors. The next is called Come in Peace, a really pretty light pink color. And lastly, the Getting Galactic, a gorgeous rose gold. This will definitely be my new go-to cat eye gel polish set. I will also leave a link of the product in the description box below. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget, hit subscribe, like, and share my video. I would definitely greatly appreciate it. See you in the next video.